Hi everyone, I wanted to talk a little bit about the most popular plastic surgery procedure in the country, and that's liposuction. But for some of you, you may not want to do it surgically. So what we've invented here is something that we call fire and ice. And it's a way of freezing the fat cells and at the same time going after some of that skin laxity. Jacqueline, how do we go about doing that?
So first we're going to freeze those fat cells with a cool sculpting, and then afterwards we're going to go in with a heated energy, which is going to melt the fat, and it's going to tighten that skin. And how else do we tighten that skin?
With a thermal microneedling. So it's not your traditional microneedle. It allows me to retexturize the skin, that if someone has compromised texture, like from stretch marks, we can help that client retexturize and smooth the skin away. And from there, I'm going to pass it on to Sarah, who may have some added boosters she wants to add to that client and patient.
Well, I mean, if there is some additional crepey skin or a little bit of laxity, I can always do microtox, which are tiny blebs of a toxin such as Botox, Jeuveau, Xeomin, or Dysport, and that just adds some extra tightening action to the skin and also gives it a little bit more of like a nice quality to it. The other thing we can do is put some PRP in that area of some crepiness, and we can just kind of punch that in with a little vial that has tiny little hollow needles in the top, and we can just sort of put it in that little location and give it some extra tightening.
What we're trying to say is we have a lot of different ways of going about getting that skin and the areas of fat to go away without any surgery at all. Check us out. See you later.